Welcome to the best picks. The best heat-resistant dash cams is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your vehicle, ensuring that your recordings remain clear and reliable even under extreme temperatures, protecting you from data loss and providing crucial evidence in case of accidents or disputes. This is particularly crucial in regions with hot climates or vehicles that are frequently exposed to direct sunlight. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. Experience crystal clear 4K video recording with the ROVE R2-4K. It captures every detail, day or night, ensuring you have the best possible evidence in any situation. It records at up to 2160p resolution. Notice the superior clarity and quality compared to other dash cams, especially at night thanks to its revolutionary super night vision. With built-in Wi-Fi 6, you can instantly view and manage recordings on your smartphone using the ROVE app. Download videos at speeds up to 6 megabytes per second and share them easily. It accurately records your location and speed. View your driving route on Google Maps via the app or our GPS player. Enjoy hassle-free over-the-air updates. It boasts a supercapacitor, a wide-angle lens, parking mode, motion detection, and more. It supports up to a 512GB microSD card for extended recording. Backed by a full 1-year warranty and our dedicated US-based customer support team, you can rest assured knowing you're in good hands. What we like. This dash cam boasts incredibly clear 4K Ultra HD video. It also features super-fast Wi-Fi 6 for easy downloads and sharing. If you demand the best picture quality and convenient connectivity, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The camera's onboard menus are easy to follow and navigate. There is even voice guidance with each button press which is in clear English, in a female voice. This camera's video quality is outstanding. At 1080p at 60 fps, with the 168GB Samsung Evo Select microSD card that I chose, a 1-minute video 157 MB can be downloaded via Wi-Fi to my old Samsung Galaxy S8 in under a minute, and a 3-minute video for 64 MB in roughly 2.5 minutes. The setup is simple. There are tons of quick short videos to help guide you on how you might want to tuck away the wiring. You just plug it into the car charging socket. Number 4. REDTIGER F7NP. It records videos at up to 4K Ultra HD and 1080p FHD resolutions. This allows you to clearly see details like license plates and road signs, even from a distance. With its excellent optical lens and HDR/WDR technology, it captures key details even in low-light conditions. You'll get clear recordings, no matter the time of day. Connect it to your smartphone via Wi-Fi to view, playback, and manage recordings. You can even download and share videos directly from the app. It has a built-in GPS that records your driving route, speed, and location. This data can be viewed on a map via the app or our desktop software. It features loop recording, a G-sensor to automatically save collision videos, and a 24-hour parking monitor, hardware kit needed. It ensures you always have crucial footage. It's backed by an 18-month assurance and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Our customer service team provides 24/7 technical support. What we like. With its front and rear 4K recording, you'll have complete coverage. It also features superior night vision, ensuring clear footage even in low light. If you need comprehensive coverage and don't want to buy a memory card separately, this is for you. What people say. Crystal clear video, front at 4K and back at 2K, produce high-resolution video where you can read license plates and even identify who was driving another vehicle. The standout feature is absolutely the video quality. It's exceptionally clear and detailed. The front camera records in stunning 4K, capturing every detail on the road, from license plates to small street signs, even in low-light conditions. The night vision is impressive, producing crisp images even in the dark, which gives me complete confidence when driving at night. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens is perfect for covering a broad area without any noticeable distortion, and a 3.16-inch IPS screen is bright and clear, making it easy to check footage on the spot. Plus, the 24H parking mode offers peace of mind by automatically recording any incidents when a car is parked. Number 3. REDTIGER F7N. Introducing the REDTIGER F7N, a 4K dual dash cam that provides superior video quality for your vehicle. It features a front 4K and rear 1080p camera for complete coverage. It captures incredibly detailed images, ensuring you won't miss a thing. The wide-angle lens minimizes blind spots, giving you a comprehensive view of the road. With built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, it precisely records your location, speed, and route. You can easily connect to it via your smartphone to view, download, and share videos wirelessly. Even in low-light conditions, it delivers crystal-clear recordings. The advanced sensor and lens technology ensure superior night vision capabilities. It provides 24/7 parking monitoring. If a collision is detected, it automatically records and saves the footage, protecting your vehicle. It comes with an 18-month warranty and 24/7 customer support. We're here to help with any questions or issues you may have. What we like. This dash cam provides stunning 4K dual-channel recording for complete coverage. The built-in GPS accurately tracks your location and speed. If you prioritize high-resolution recording and precise location data, and don't want to buy a memory card separately, this is the one for you. What people say. The REDTIGER dashcam shows very clear images, has Bluetooth and GPS capability, and a parking mode if hardwired. Installation is ridiculously simple. Except for the 2 to 3 inches of wires by camera, the wiring is totally invisible. The unit is smaller than I expected with a screen so you can see what it sees. Front camera mounting location is important. Connecting to the unit uses a Wi-Fi signal, not Bluetooth. App is okay, I had no issues with Android, connected fine. Number 2. Vantrue N4 Dash Cam. It simultaneously records the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle in stunning 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p resolution. This ensures complete coverage and protects you from any liability issues. When using the front and rear cameras, it captures sharp 4K footage in the front and clear 1080p video in the rear. The rear camera's 360 degrees adjustability makes it perfect for various vehicles. For rideshares or other situations, it provides high-resolution 1440p recording of both the front and interior. The adjustable interior camera ensures optimal viewing angles. It features a high-performance Darvis CMOS sensor and infrared LEDs for exceptional night vision. It captures clear video footage even in complete darkness. With parking mode, it continuously records while parked, using motion or collision detection to trigger recordings. This requires a hardware kit or external battery, sold separately. What we like. This dashcam offers 3-channel recording, front, rear, and interior, giving you unparalleled coverage. It also features a heat-resistant design, perfect for extreme weather conditions. If you need comprehensive coverage and protection from extreme temperatures, this is ideal for you. What people say. The daytime image quality of the camera is exceptional. License plates can be clearly identified from a considerable distance on the camera feed. The rear-facing camera is particularly useful. The Vantrue N4 has exceeded all my expectations. First off, you get 3 cameras, and the video quality from each one is outstanding. I'm on my second N4 purchase. I've been using the Vantrue N4 with 3 cameras for nearly 2 years, and I must say, it has exceeded my expectations in terms of quality and reliability. The video quality is top-notch, capturing clear footage from the front, rear, and inside the vehicle. Whether it's day or night, the clarity and detail are impressive. Number 1. PRUVEEO Dash Cam D30. Capture crystal-clear videos from both the front and inside of your vehicle with its dual 1080p cameras. Enjoy wide-angle views and virtually eliminate blind spots. It boasts incredible night vision. Even in low-light conditions, it delivers sharp, detailed recordings thanks to infrared lights and a high-sensitivity image processor. With an optional hardware kit, it provides 24/7 surveillance. Rest assured that it's watching over your vehicle even when you're not around. It features loop recording, ensuring continuous footage. Oldest recordings are automatically overwritten, providing uninterrupted coverage. In case of a collision, it automatically locks the current video. This protects crucial evidence from being overwritten. It's incredibly easy to install. Simply attach the suction mount, insert an SD card, and connect to your power source. No battery is needed. What we like. This dash cam provides clear 1080p recording from both the front and interior cameras. It also features infrared night vision for superior low-light performance. If you need excellent night vision and interior recording, this is a great option for you. What people say. I have been using this camera for the past 2 years almost to the day. It does everything that I need a dash cam to do. To this point it has performed without flaw. Excellent video capture both day and under low light conditions. Likewise, the audio quality is very clear. Very easy to use, plugs into the cigarette lighter socket, works fine recording when car is started and stopped. Video quality is very good. For reference, a 1-minute video at 1080p 30 frame rate, FHD P30, is about 74 megabits. I compared 720p, HD P30, and realized there's not much difference in video quality, but file size is smaller at 50 megabits. I could still make out license plates at 720p, so I changed mine to 720p, HD P30, setting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.